Manipur Lengakna War on Drug campaign mai pakna changsilingai cherak asida campaign asidasu achoba thaudang lauriba police commando team ama Moreh dagi Hallakpada Kakching Police na drug ka konana fare Makhoida heroin powder kilogram 1.336 amasung WY tablet kilogram 9.151 rom yaurambadagi Fagatkhre hairi Hiramasi matangda Kakching SP gi office da paumi singa unabada SP Kakching Srivets na hai ngasi ayuk pung 8 lom tabada National Highway 102 Kurau Pokpida leiba St Joseph English School gi nakanda checking dobada Moreh da posting taruraga Hallakpa Kakching CDO unit ke Maruti Gypsy amadagi drug singasi Fagatkhre Makhoi asi special CDO unit khabai soida posting kidamak Moreh dagi halakibani hairi drug konana faraba CDO sing adudi CDO unit Kakching da attest toba MPTC gi havaldar KH achoba CDO unit Kakching da attest toba 7 MRG rifleman TH Subhas Dothe Kakching CDO unit da attest toba Imphal West District Police ki constable Y Dineshwar Maitei Kakching CDO unit da attest toba 6 MRG rifleman M Premchanda amasung N Dorendrajit Kawi hairi drug konana faraba sing asi makhataba wahung pahungidama Kakching Police Station da Sinakre hairi
In morning at around 7:30 am, 1.336 kilograms of suspected heroin number 4 powder and 9.151 kilograms of suspected WY tablets were detected and seized by teams of Kakching Police. Unfortunately, the seizure was done from one team of Commando Unit Kakching only, which was stationed at Moreh and is under the orders of transfer to Special Commando Unit Khabesoi. Acting on prior information, the operation for the same was launched by our Inspector of Commando Unit, Shri S. Birla, and assisted by a team of Subedar Keturmeum Prakash. The commando team, which was posted in Moreh and was under order of posting to Special Unit Commando, was detained, and from their vehicle 100 soap cases containing suspected heroin number 4 and 8 bundles of suspected WY tablets were detected, and also a cash amount of rupees 80,000 was detected from one of the accused persons. The details of the personnel of the CDO teams who have been arrested are Havaldar K. Chachoba Singh, Rifleman T.H. Subhas Chothe, Y. Dineshwar Mitei, M. Premchandra Singh and N. Dorendrajit Singh. The seized article narcotic items along with the arrested persons are being handed over to Kakching Police Station for further legal action, and the unit commanders of the commando personnel are also being informed of the same. I take this opportunity to commend the efforts by our OC Commando Unit and Additional SP Shri Binoy for making this seizure, and also giving a very stern warning to anybody who is involved in drug trade to stop all such activities, because there is no way that we are going to spare anybody who is involved in carrying of drugs or in any kind of drug trade. Thank you.